And today we will see how to create a tool website like this. So first we will check what is this site about. So if you can see here, there are multiple small tools which don't require backend as such. So if you see here, you can go and check, like there are approx 81 tools which are already mentioned over here. So we can also create a website like this, and if you see, if you go and try over here, if you want to try a tool, then we can just give some words and then we can see how it works. This has multiple type case, so here uppercase, lowercase, title case, and it can create sentences as well. So yeah, this is a tool website and it has multiple tools. You can go to this website. I will provide the link in the description, and you can see what are the tools over here, and you can take the inspiration, like what are the tools, what you can create, and what are the missing tools that you can also have in your website. So, and we will create all these tools with the help of AI. We will not write any single line of code, and for that we are using a very powerful tool. Apparently no one is talking about it. That is Firebase Studio from Google, and it is a very powerful tool. You can just come here and get the prompt. So let's give it a prompt what we want to build. So I'll say create a small tool website with approx, let's go study tools, and we have a feature over here that is improve prompt, and if you click on this, it will enhance your prompt, and it has given us a pretty good response. So let's directly click on this prototype with AI, and it then wait for some time. It will take around a minute or two, so let's wait for it. So it has provided us the details, what it is going to build, how it is going to build, and what are the color theme this is going to take, how will be the layout, what will be the typography, and all the things, and what is the tech stack it will be using. So it will be using Next.js. For styling, it is taking Tailwind CSS, and for the functional logics, it will use TypeScript. So let's create on this prototype this app. Now this will take some time because it is going to set up our project from the scratch. It will build the whole app and the structure of it, and then after that it will create the whole tool website. So let's wait for it. So it has created our website with all the tools, and the best part is it has provided the category as well. So if you scroll, then you will see text manipulation tool. So basically all the tools related to text, and the calculation tool, conversion tools, and development tools. So we got pretty good website till now, and it has given us search functionality as well. So if you write maybe case converter, so if you see, so it has given us this tool. So let's check it out. So this is a local version of this on their platform, so it may take some time to load. So let's wait for it. But if you take it to your production, then it will work very smooth and very fast. So let's give it some text, and then check what's the output. So below you can see the output, and it has created few functionality which we didn't even ask. Like you can copy the text from here and then you can paste it anywhere you want, and we can see there is lowercase title case and this sentence case. Yeah, it has given us a very good website. So let's see what else we can do. So come over here and ask this website or ask this AI builder that I want more tools. So let's give it a prompt. Give me list of tools which can be created without being in backend, and just hit enter. So if you see, it has given us the list of tools, and I think it has already added these the details of these tools in our website as well. So let's check. So you can see the password generator here, and it is already there in the list, but when we click on it, doesn't work. So give it a prompt at create all the tools one by one. So it has started creating the interface for all the tools. I think it has just created the password generator. So let's check. So here you can see there are multiple options. What are the things you want to add in your password, like uppercase, lowercase, numbers, symbols? So just click on generate, and it has given a random password then you can use. And here we have an option to rewrite and copy as well. So this is how you can build the tool website. Let's add one more functionality and check if it can handle that or not. Create dot mode. If you can see, I am giving very few words and very small prompts to it, and then let's see what it builds. Avoid this kind of falling because you are in development mode, so you won't see these kind of error in production when you will host your website in any of the hosting. So let's wait for some time and see what it has built. So on the top right corner you can see there is a button, and if you click on it, it will give you multiple options like light, dark, and system. System is basically the user system theme. So if they are using dark mode, then it will automatically convert their theme to dark, and if they have light, then it will convert to light. And let's give on light node. So yeah, it has created a very good combination of dark and light mode theme. And this is how you can build your tool website, and you can give n number of prompt here, so you can create a number of tools. The best part about this website that I know is there is no limitation as of now. I have worked on this tool for like hours, and I have never seen any limitation warning. So you can also try and you can make any kind of website. This is just an example of tools website. You can create any website like blog website or to-do list and others as well. And if you want me to create such kind of videos, then do let me know the suggestions that what I will next. And thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.